Welcome to Crafter's Corner. Today we will be making a wreath out of fabric. So some items that you'd like to gather around before we start is a hanger, a roller, fabric scissors, electrical tape, and a pencil. And you can also grab just regular scissors. So to get started, let's start with our hanger. And it's just a regular clothes hanger, and we're just going to shape it into a circle. And we're going to fold down the hook into a little circle there. Why I suggested the electrical tape, let's do this first, is that we'd like to electrical tape any sharp edges before we get the kids involved in this craft. So we'll go ahead and cut a nice piece. Just go ahead and feed that through. Making sure we got all our sharp edges. As I do in, let me just put this to the side, as I do in this one. So then you may ask, fabric, that's great. You have store-bought fabric. Where am I going to get fabric when there's a pandemic? Well, how about cleaning out your closets? I went through my closets and I found sundresses, some pants. Have the kids and yourself go through the closets and find some color schemes that you think will work of items that you were going to donate anyway. So you kill two birds with one stone. So once you have your fabric, we'll go ahead and lay it out and grab your ruler. You'll want about 1.5 inches wide, and you'll just go ahead and mark it. Oh, they're not my fabric scissors, but they were cutting pretty good. And go ahead and cut this strip. This strip is actually 12 inches. We're looking for 8, 9, and 10 inches, so I'll make this our long one at 10 inches. And just take the strip, this is a great part for the kids, is just tie it onto the hanger. And that's one knot, and then we'll just do a double knot. So we're looking for 1.5 inch thick strips of fabric, 8, 9, and 10 inches long, until we fill up the whole wreath. Now this one we did take a few out, so that way I could show you how the finished product's going to look. So we'll just add a couple more pieces of the green, because these are all green tones. But I was thinking even denim jeans would look nice. That might be a cool one. Be nice and thick too. And that's the other thing that's nice about choosing your fabrics. Some are cotton on this one, some are polyester, some have stripes, some have flowers, so if you want to mix them up, that's fun too. Just have a couple more pieces to put on. Oh no, that's blue. This is the green one. Couple more pieces to put on. And this is a green one that we had created for the library for St. Patrick's Day. So you too can create your own fabric wreath. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Crafter's Corner. Take care.